Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan here. Today we're going to make another Weight Watcher friendly 0 point meal. We're going to have some chicken with some zucchini, and it's going to be in spaghetti sauce. And don't worry, it's all 0.0. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, I got my skillet on. It's not quite hot enough yet. This here is my sauce that we're going to be using. It's 0 points right here. I got it on the other phone for you. See where it says that? 0 points. Just to let you know, there are some doubters out there, but I ain't been cheating nobody. That's the one we're using, crushed whole tomatoes. We got some Worcestershire sauce back here for a little bit of little taste, and then oregano, some onion powder, garlic minced, and diced jalapeno Mount Olive brand. Got some chopped up spinach, really little pieces. That's 1.5 chicken breast diced up. Got some zucchini right there, and we got some onions and some carrots. The reason for the carrots is to add a little sweetness to the sauce. Okay, we're ready to start cooking. Staying with the 0 point theme, using a cooking spray to coat the bottom of the pan a little bit. Next, we're going to throw in some onions and carrots. Got a little sizzle going here, just a little. Yeah, this here dish, kind of keep it so that, you can have 0 points, but still have a nice tasty meal again. So, actually Penny felt like having like a spaghetti dish. And see, we can also, what we're going to do is we're going to put some, we got that fat-free mozzarella cheese that we're going to sprinkle on top of there. So it just turns things around a little bit, so you're not, you don't think you're like really on a diet kind of deal, but it all works. It tastes good. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so the onions are getting to the point where they're just about there. I put this is a half an onion and maybe 4 or 5 baby carrots. My grandmother used to do the carrot thing when she was making sauce. She'd put a couple chunks of carrots in the bottom of the pan. She made it the old-fashioned way, though. It cooked for hours and hours and hours and hours, and the carrot would basically dissolve, but gave it a nice little sweetness. So since we're making our own spaghetti sauce kind of deal, so you can give it a little natural sweetness. Besides that, carrots are good for you. You can see what's coming. Okay. I got my water on the stove on. I'm only going to cook our zucchini probably maybe 3 minutes or so, give or take. And I got some spinach, just trying to give it some color and some flavor. Right now we're going to throw in some garlic, about a heaping teaspoon. Don't want to cross-contaminate my little jalapenos. Okay, and that's about a teaspoon. Not heaping though. All right, so that's done. And remember, that just adds flavor. Penny can tell you, it's not really that hot. It gets a little heat, but not that much. So that's all good. We're going to stir this around a little bit, just to incorporate everything pretty good. But anyhow, we're doing pretty good. Okay, everything's pretty well heated up now, so I'm going to put in the chicken. This chicken's been poached, but I like to give it a little bit more, a little color maybe. We'll stir that around, and then once it gets a little warmed up, then we're going to dump some sauce in here, and then flavor that up with some seasoning. And once that's done, we'll throw the zucchini in, and then we're ready to chow down. This is a quick, easy recipe. Again, 0 points. Now, if you had some tomato paste that you wanted to just toss in there to thicken stuff up, you can do that too. I don't think we need to do that. But who knows? To each his own. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now we're going to dump in our sauce. And the reason I'm dumping all the sauce in because my beloved queen loves the sauce. But this again is 0 points. It's all good. It's going to be tasty. Very tasty. And give this a little stir around. Get my spices ready and we'll be back. Okay, I just added a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Putting some onion powder in here. Just a little, that's about a teaspoon worth. And we're going with some oregano. Put a little of that in there, not much. That's maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. I'm going to put some salt and pepper in here too. But just trying to get us a nice flavor going. Although some of you guys out there might just like this tomatoes right out of the can on the zucchini. So, you know, it's up to you. You were the saucier of your sauce. Yeah. Yeah, we could have put a splash of wine in here, but I didn't want to go doing that. That changes the numbers, so. Get a little taste test going here. Well, that definitely changed the flavor a little bit, but still kind of sweet, sweet, sweet. Well, got the tomatoey flavor, really what it is. Probably good enough. Put a little salt and pepper in here will give us another twist and give us a little taste after that. Now you guys have seen me do the past episodes of when I did Zoodles. Did the same thing here. I'll show you in a minute. After I zoodled them up, put them on a strainer, sprinkle some salt on there, and try to drain off the fluid that has in there. I know it's kind of silly to do that and then put it in a boiling pot of water, but okay, I think that's good. Hold on. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. Here's my Zoodles, and you see I've had them sitting here like this for about 30 minutes. So, and that's just liquid that come out of the Zoodles as they are right here. So I'm going to squeeze these right before we throw them in the pot. Try to get a little more out, and then we'll be with you. Okay, since the sauce is past the taste tester thing here by our saucier living in the house, not me. Now we're going to throw some spinach in here, and once that's wilted down enough, you're ready to eat. I got the zucchini water just about boiled up. It's getting there, so we are going to be ready to chow down here in a few minutes. Oh, I can't wait. This is really smelling good. It looks good. Oh boy. All right, we'll be back. Okay, just dumped the zucchini in there. Well, a couple of minutes ago. A couple seconds ago, not minutes. But anyway, just wanted to show you. We'll be back. Okay, my friends, there you have your nice little taste test mode in the bowl, and we'll be with you in a moment. Okay, this is Mr. Dan at the taste test table. Look at the grin on Elmo's face. He likes that. Huh? Another healthy dish. Another one down for the record, huh? But anyway, see how that, we got some cheese on there. I don't know if you can see it that good. I'm not that good of an aimer, but that's okay. So today I cut up the zucchini before I put them in the strainer, so they're not that long. Mm-hmm. Now, if this is healthy, I'll eat more of it. The sauce definitely has it's still got the tomatoey flavor, but it's good. It's a little sweeter than most when you buy the pasta. I mean, the spaghetti sauce in the can jar. But it tastes darn good. And best of all, if you guys can count it, can you say 0? 0 points. Are we lucky or what? No. Okay, let's get down to business. When you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about, use your little sanitizing spray or gel. When you get in the car, and then when you get home, wash your hands really good again. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another delicious dish just like this. Don't forget to give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe, and when you do, the little notification bell will pop up. You hit that, and each time we put out a new video, you'll automatically be notified. Get the description button up there in the right-hand corner, right below the video. Description box will pop down, give you the recipe, the ingredients, link to our website, and also to my daughter's artwork site. But anyway, this is Mr. Dan saying, stay hungry, my friends, and come back when you are, and we'll give you another delicious 0-point dish just like this. We're out.